There are growing concerns over the health of former Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan as his sisters were once again denied their weekly family visit. Despite the presence of thousands of protesters who had come from all over Pakistan to join the illegally incarcerated former Prime Minister's sisters for a sit-in outside the maximum security prison, the powerful army colonel in control of the jail refused the visit. Last week, media reports surfaced that Imran Khan was rushed to an Islamabad hospital and operated on for a dangerous blockage in the retinal vein of his right eye, known as the central retinal vein occlusion. Family lawyers had approached the Supreme Court of Pakistan and the Chief Justice, who, according to reports, said they could not assist, an indication of where power lies in the country ruled by General Asim Munir, the army chief. Mr. Khan has been held in solitary confinement, with his last meeting with his sister, Dr. Uzma Khan, occurring briefly nearly 2 months ago. Mr. Khan's private physician has also gone public expressing concern, but he too has been denied access for a medical checkup for over 14 months. Mr. Khan's illegal detention has now spanned 913 days. He has said in messages from his jail cell that General Asim Munir would be responsible if anything happened to him in prison. After denying them phone calls for months, General Asim Munir's regime has now refused to grant visas to Qasim and Suleiman, the two sons of Imran Khan, to visit Pakistan, reports prominent investigative news outlet Dropsite News. Dropsite News says a source in Pakistan's Interior Ministry informed them that the decision to withhold the approvals and prevent access to Imran Khan is intentional. Quote, "They will not be given visas. The decision has been made. The government only wants to delay the decision as long as possible without actually announcing the decision," unquote. The Pakistani military government of General Asim Munir, the de facto ruler, has also refused access to Mr. Khan's sisters, who are already in Pakistan. Previously, cabinet ministers in General Munir's government threatened that Mr. Khan's sons could be arrested upon their arrival in Pakistan. The former Prime Minister's sons have appealed to human rights organizations globally about the treatment of their father. The UN and Amnesty International have raised concerns about Mr. Khan's illegal detention and solitary confinement, but Mr. Munir's government has continued to act with impunity after subjugating Pakistan's independent judiciary.